They all think the significance of the action they understand, but they don't understand most of the time the significance of timing. If the timing is right, even a small action will produce a huge impact. If the timing is wrong, even if you push so hard, only little will happen. Somebody hits the same ball with great amount of, wasting energy, another person just flicks it, it goes to the same place. See, in terms of doing anything in the world, well, we should know what we're doing, the capability, intelligence, all these things are there. But one important aspect that, especially when you're young, you try to miss is the timing. If you don't time your actions right, even the best actions will go waste. So those who don't know how to time their life, they will start looking for standard charts, what is good time, what is bad time. There's no such thing. Timing is most important. This is something I'm constantly striving with people around me to understand the significance of timing. They all think the significance of the action they understand, but they don't understand most of the time the significance of timing. If the timing is right, even a small action will produce a huge impact. If the timing is wrong, even if you push so hard, only little will happen. So timing is very, very important. How do you arrive at this? This is a complex affair because one aspect is, see, you as a human being, let's say you take 24-hour time, or if you want to take a longer time, let's say a week or a month if we take, in 1 month, 24 hours every day, 1 month long, 30 days, are you in the same state of physical and mental competence? No, it's all the time going here and there. So when you want to hit an important shot, you must be at your best. So this timing you take care of it. Outside timing is there, that'll take a lot of experience and wisdom to time with the world. But at least with you, you time it when you are at your best, you do important things. When you're not so good, you don't do. This day, nothing will go wrong for me, I'm on today. So this timing at least, there is also timing with the rest of the world, the situations. That will take much more experience and observation to hit the right thing at the right time. But at least the timing with yourself, that you are at your best. When you want to do important things, you are at your best. This must happen. Once you understand this, then you will realize it's extremely important to keep yourself at your best every moment of your life. Because every little thing that you do, if you learn to do it with as much significance as the so-called big things that you do, then you will see the cumulative impact of that over a period of time is so big. You didn't do anything big, you did only little things, but these little things add up to something phenomenal simply because you took care to do those little things with absolute intention and attention, intensity of expression of what you're doing. So one fundamental thing, before you realize and read all these things properly within yourself and around yourself, one simple thing is just this: you don't decide what is important, what is not important. Just pay as much attention to everything the same way and apply yourself with the same level of intensity. If God comes, same intensity, if an ant comes, same intensity of attention and involvement. You just do this, everything will sort itself out. Right now, the biggest problem with human beings is they think this is important, that's not important, this person is great, this person is no good, this is okay, this is not okay, this is God, this is devil. This is their problem. In this, they're becoming half alive. Because half the time they're not there, because they think it's not important. Tell me, you're breathing right now, is it important? Yes. So you must do it, total involvement and intensity. Then we'll say, we'll call you a yogi. So, if it is not important, you must stop it, isn't it? Just do this one thing. There is no such thing as important and not important. Whether you look at your friend or you look at somebody you don't like, you're doing something important or important socially or not so important socially, as far as you are concerned as a life, every moment of your life is equally important. Everything that you do is important. What is not important, just don't do it. Why are you investing in your life Why are you investing your life in something that you think is not important? You're doing something silly, let's say. I think it's not important, it doesn't matter. But you think it's important. Only if you think it's important, you must invest your life in it, isn't it? Otherwise, why? If you do this, you will arrive at the timing. Take a little time, but you'll arrive at the timing. And that timing is extremely important, extreme. You've watched games, let's say maybe cricket or golf if you watched. Always everybody's talking about the timing of hitting the ball. Strength of hitting the ball is not the thing, it's the timing. Somebody hits the same ball with great amount of, wasting energy. Another person just flicks it, it goes to the same place. It's a timing. That is true even in your life. Timing is the most important thing because the time that you have in this life and the energy that you have in your life is limited. It's a limited resource. Nobody has endless energy, isn't it? Nobody has endless time. So, you have to time it right. First thing is to start observing yourself. When you're at your best, you must do. And now, if you observe yourself sufficiently, you will see you have to be at your best every moment. There's no such thing as this is important,